We're now exiting the bridge on St. George Island. You can see the lighthouse straight up ahead. I might have to take a right, figure out, yeah, we're gonna take a right so we can pour it. And we have arrived. So let's get on out. Check it out. See some public restrooms. Come on, I think we need to go this way. They've done a lot of work over here since last time I was here. Yep. They've added the playground. Looks like more pavilions. And there's your lighthouse itself. Here's the living quarters. Let's go see what it's about. See it? Pieces of the old lighthouse. Pistol. See the desk? It's telling you about the families that lived here. Stan Farnham. So that's a timeline telling you about the history of it. Rotary hammer drill, look at that one. Cannonball. So that's the gift shop where you buy your tickets. We got us an adult and a youth. Let's walk over now to the lighthouse. Some of the outbuildings and check them out. There's your lighthouse. Let's go check it out. Let's look in it. We'll just walk up there and look in it. How about that? Back. That's how it is all the way up. 92 steps up, he said. A lot of them, what we went into that was the gift shop where you bought your tickets, they had fixed up for a visitor shop. A lot of them have it fixed up for a museum. Since last time I was there, they've actually turned this into a nice little park. Let's go check out the park first and then we'll go look at the beach. Nice little park here they got. There's another little view. Yep. It's kind of neat, ain't it? Let's go take a look at the beach. See what the beach looks like here. Go down that walkway right here by the park. See the podiums on either side. Big sand dunes, try to protect the beaches. Both directions. Nice white sandy beaches, pretty blue water. There's your lighthouse. That pretty much concludes our little stop by the lighthouse. We're gonna come back next time and climb it. We're gonna feel better.